Where did Missy go? There she is. Go get her. Go get her. Get it, Missy, get it. Go get it, Missy, go get it. Go get it. Get him, Missy, get him. Where'd she go? Where is she? Where'd she go? Oh, I see. She's in there? I don't think so.
Who are you looking for? Missy's on the couch. Get her.
Missy.
Right here.
There she is.
Get her.
She's getting her
Get her. She's
squeaky.
right there. Tristan, look at the lights. Look at the colors. Tristan, look at the colors. Look, baby. Look at the fish. There's a little
She
fish.
knows she's being filmed.
What is Gigi doing? Yeah? Wow.
Look. Go bounce. Go bouncy, bouncy, bounce. Play with the fishies. Play with the fishies.
Just don't sleep with the fishes.
Can you turn it off? You know how to turn it off?
Stand. You know, I don't understand when the couch really. We're
Free
only
Jones!
doing this so and Gigi can videotape it. No.
Amen and amen.
If she starts jumping, you're in trouble.
I'm in trouble. I didn't teach her to jump.
She knows how to jump on a bed mattress.
Yeah,
No, you can't get out of it, can you?
she's been caged.
Oh, she's talking to Opa now. Say, Opa, where are you? Oh, there he is. He's down there.
Good girl. Thank
You got it, huh? Oh, you want to get down? Okay, then you have to get down by yourself. Really?
Sit down, Tristan. Sit down. Good girl.
It sounds like she's saying stuff.
Abba dabba doo?
Yeah.
I said something to her the other day in her language.
Yeah.
You know what she did?
Good.
I said the wrong thing.
Oh, here comes Opa.